I'm Tondas. I'm Camp Farm Fortipur, Upajala Modukali. I discussed about the myself. At this, I am completed secondary school certificate of Badagram High School and higher secondary school certificate of Gov Yachin College Fortipur. And Bachelor BG Administration are completed Gov Rajendra College Fortipur, Department of Finance and Banking, and Masters of Business Administration are completed Gov Rajendra College, Department of Finance and Banking. I completed and preparation of Gov services for 2000, 2018 to 2021 are preparation from Gov services exam. I'm success of government employee among success of Gov job. I success